Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. And we're starting on the daily time frame, then we'll work down to the 1 hour. So on the daily, like I've been saying, this looks to me like a pullback. It looks like it possibly could go back up and retest these highs, and we don't even know. It possibly could just keep on trending up very easily. So the trend is definitely your friend. We still don't have a break of structure to the downside on the weekly or the daily, so the trend is definitely still up based on structure on these higher time frames. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, now if it does break to the downside on the 1 hour, I would definitely be more than happy to start looking for shorts, no problem. I think that the most recent structure on the roughly the 2 hour time frame is right here. If it breaks below there, then I'll be happy to start looking for shorts, even though I would kind of assume it's just a pullback. Otherwise, anything I see to the downside is probably very likely just a pullback within an uptrend. The higher time frame is always your friend, and the weekly and the daily and the monthly time frame is up. So when all those higher time frames is up, and the shorter time frame is making higher highs, higher lows, then we definitely want to stay focused on trading with the trend until the market proves us otherwise by giving us a correctly tuned time frame break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.